Fine. Oh, this is. Oh. Ooh, nice ass. You have really bad tan. Are they tan legs or socks? I can't. You're floating. You're floating away. You.
I can't see anything.
Have you not got a flashlight?
I've got a flashlight.
You're like Velma from Scooby Doo.
He's got really bad.
Oh, there's a security camera. Hello?
Then you can run.
I don't think you can run. Now I can't see anything. Okay, I think this room is just a big circle. I think that's the exit. Hi. 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 Can I see your... I can't see your torch. Your torchlight, I can... Yeah, but you can't see where I'm lighting up. Right, we can either go to the spaceship or the boxes. I've had enough of boxes because of work. Oh God! Oh. You mean you walked in front of me and there was a big shadow on the wall and I couldn't see? Right, this isn't boxes. This is files. Can you hear like a weird crackling noise? I'm not running. Oh, I'm actually getting really bad tingles down my spine. Oh, what's that? Listen. Right, the graphics. Right, the graphics are fantastic. I don't think it looks like it. Oh, what's this? Might need the toilet. Oh, I got really big goosebumps.
I need the toilet.
I just instantly, I swear I just instantly knew that how it was the shadow of the monster. Oh shit. Keep making me jump. Oh! Did it get you? I'm dead. Oh my god, that was horrible. Do not go near it, trust me. Have you died? Have I absorbed all the energy? No. Can't hear it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, well, we did really well. In memory of distance walked. What are you even making? It even records me screaming. I screamed twice. Oh. That's the whole map. Right, screw that. Right, retry. Yeah, I can't believe I just screamed like a girl. I full on jumped.